Hello, friends. If you're a student, your laptop is probably your best friend. But are you really using it to its full potential? Today, I'm going to share the top 5 laptop tricks every student should know. These tips will save you time, boost productivity, and make your studies a lot easier. So let's get started. Trick 1. Split screen for multitasking. Have you ever struggled to switch between tabs when taking notes during an online class? Well, split screen is here to save the day. With split screen, you can place 2 windows side by side. On Windows, just press Windows key plus left-right arrow, and on Mac, drag the window to the left or right edge of the screen. Picture this. Lecture slides on the left, your notes on the right. No more Alt-Tab chaos. Pro example. Research on one side, essay writing on the other. Productivity instantly doubled. Key. Trick 2. Hidden clipboard history. Copy-paste is life for students, right? But did you know Windows and Mac both have a clipboard history? On Windows, press Windows key plus V. On Mac, apps like Paste or Clippy let you do this. Now, instead of losing copied text, you can access everything you've copied in one list. Real example, imagine writing a research paper. Copy multiple quotes from different websites and then paste them without flipping through tabs again and again. That would take forever. Trick 3. Built-in focus mode. Distractions are a student's worst enemy. Windows has a focus assist and Mac has do not disturb mode. Turn these on during study time and your notifications vanish until you're done. Real example. You're writing your final paper, but suddenly pop-ups from games, WhatsApp, or random updates appear. With focus mode, all you see is your work. Trick 4. Free PDF tools. Students deal with PDFs all the time. Lecture notes, assignments, and ebooks. But you don't always need Adobe Acrobat. On Windows and Mac, there are hidden PDF features. Right-click any document. Print gives Save as PDF. Use Edge Browser or Preview on Mac to annotate, highlight, and sign PDFs. Pro example, you can highlight key points in lecture slides and save them as your personal study guide without spending money on extra apps. Trick 5. Battery life saver. Running out of battery during class. Here's the trick. Lower screen brightness. Use battery saver mode. On Windows, press Windows plus X gives power options. On Mac, go to System Preferences gives low power mode. This can stretch your laptop battery from 1 hour to almost 2. Enough to finish that online quiz or assignment. And that's it. The top 5 laptop tricks every student should know. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to share this video to help spread this valuable information, and subscribe to support us in bringing you more exciting content. Thank you for your support, and have a wonderful day. Now, if you're still with me, here's a bonus trick for those who made it till the end. Remember that time when you had to click the entire web page because you missed an important line? Or when you accidentally closed the wrong tab or window and lost your unsaved work? Oh, the horror stories. Well, not anymore. There's a quick fix. On Windows and Mac, there's a global shortcut to take screenshots. Windows Plus, Shift plus SMAC, Command plus Shift plus 4. Quick screenshots save time and help you keep important info instantly. So, if you found these tricks useful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share them with your fellow students. And if you're new here, subscribe for more tech tips and software tricks. Until next time, happy studying and stay tech savvy.